initiative. They're making couples work together. So, Shilpa, would you like to say something about this?
A very hearty morning to all the couples and all present here. It's World Heart Day today, and I feel really happy that Saffola Life has taken this really amazing initiative forward of protecting women's hearts. And I feel very happy to leverage my name to something like that. Somebody who has always believed that fitness is very important and has always given fitness more importance and health more importance than looking good. It was shocking to know with the survey and the study done by Saffola Life that 2 out of 4 women suffer with and vulnerable to heart diseases. And it's a direct correlation with how you maintain yourself. You have to have a high metabolism. You have to walk. That's the least you can do. To all those women out there, more than looking good, I think you should give importance to heart health. And I'm here to take that pledge today with Saffola Life, my husband and me. I'm very happy that Raj is here to support women's heart health. And he really has always been the wind beneath my wings and is always cared for me. So if all your husbands care for you, they will take out that time of making you walk for at least 30 minutes and walk with you. So it not only ensures good heart health, but also a healthy marriage.
Absolutely right.
So, yeah, okay, you speak and then we'll take the pledge together.
Now protect our heart. That's what Saffola Life's all about, and I'm so proud to be part of this initiative. And like I said, it was hard enough to win a heart, but now I owe it to protect a heart for the rest of my life. Thank you for having us here.
That is so beautiful, Raj. Thank you. It's so wonderful to hear both of you say all these lovely things because we are here for this wonderful initiative. And here we have all these lovely couples.
But, you know, your wife, and you care about her health. And that's a sign of a good marriage and a healthy marriage. So I take this opportunity as soon as Raj completes wiping himself. We with Saffola Life, I feel we're getting married again. So we together with Saffola Life take this pledge
Protect our heart initiative.
to walk for 30 minutes a day as much as we can.
Fantastic. And we have all the couples. Alright. So we request all of you to take. Alright. And the couples
like I said before, health really means a lot to me. I have always believed that health is wealth. And if ever there's an opportunity where I can play a catalyst in telling people the same and making a difference to their lives, I would most happily do so. And I'm really happy that today Saffola Life has taken this initiative, and it's a great endeavor to protect women's hearts. And, you know, we women have very big hearts. We're so busy in our lives looking after our families, our children, our husbands' problems, that we forget about our own weight. And see, you can't change the husband, but you can change your health. So the least you can do for yourself is, you know, include a cardiovascular activity. And 30 minutes of walking will really sort your life. And if you can do it with your husband, and actually, you know, all you husbands out there, you all are in this marriage for love. I know love doesn't stay permanently. You all are never always in love, but you'll love the person. So to continue that and to have a healthy marriage or healthy wife, it's very important for both of you all to take the initiative. I'm not undermining the husband's health here. So there are a lot of men also who take their health for granted. So I think both of you all should take that initiative with each other and look after each other's health and take that 30 minutes walk, you know, in a day. And if not possible, you know, every day, do it 4 times a week. Definitely do it on weekends. And you will see the change it brings about in your marriage, in your communication, and in your health.
That's fantastic. Absolutely. We all totally agree to that. And Raj, I would like to ask you, how do you protect Shilpa's heart?
That's a good one. देखो, साथ चलने की कसम खाई है to protect her heart. And I think, you know, a man who doesn't love his wife or can't look after his wife is not a man. So I know we have our egos and we're very proud and औरत पीछे चलती है. That's wrong. साथ चलना चाहिए, बस साथ चलना चाहिए. And a little bit of trivia. There is 3.6 billion women out there. 3.6 billion. Can you just hold your partner's hand and put it up? Just put it up. You chose this partner. She's your 1 in 3.6 billion.
Wow.
Protect her heart, okay?
Wow, I'm so convinced with that. That is so beautiful. And he surely really is somebody who, we can all see that he's protecting your heart. Shilpa, I have a question for you. Like you mentioned earlier, 2 out of 4 women are, you know, they're at higher risk of heart problems due to the increasing weight. Now, do you think you can find out another way, an impact of their weight on their heart health without having to take the routine cholesterol and lipid profile tests?
You know, you can actually just log on to www.saffolalife.com, and it will actually show you the impact your lifestyle has on your heart health. And that's one of the simplest ways of going forward. And I know a lot of women and men shy away from all these 100 blood tests. So this could be, you know, your one-stop shop for starters. Unless you're suffering with major problems, then I would ask you to please go to a doctor. But in the meanwhile, on this day, take this initiative, log on, you know, and you will see exactly how to make that change in your life. It'll give you a diet. It'll give you how to go about with, you know, combating the stress. And I think that's a really, you know, one-step plan.
That's absolutely perfect.
choose this wonderful endeavor done by Safola Life, and it's to protect our heart initiative. And my husband very kindly has agreed to come and protect my heart, and you know, has lent his support to this great cause. And I feel really happy to just play a catalyst in women's lives, kind of bringing focus to health more than beauty, because I think most women want to lose weight to look good. I think it's important to let them know that 2 out of 4 women suffer with cardiac diseases, and it's only because of the weight gain. And you know, these diet fads that they do, where they lose lots of weight with the wrong kind of foods, is one of the worst things to do to your body. So do it the right way. Start off with 30-minute walks, and that's what we've come here to pledge together as a couple. And I want that to continue, not just as a trend, but as a rule. It should become a lifestyle modification plan for most couples. If they can actually take out 30 minutes in the day, it also denotes a healthier marriage.
As it's like a protect her heart, why it should not be our heart? As we're talking about,
Yes.
even the men are
The
having.
stats
Yes,
are 2 out of 4, no?
of course. No,
two
but
out of four
like,
stats.
like the statistics show, and Sephora Life has done this whole survey and study where they've found out that 2 out of 4 women suffer with cardiovascular diseases. Hence, it's Protect Her Heart initiative.
And Shilpa, adding to it, Indian moms keep their families and their kids first. So,
Yes.
कितना ignore करती है Indian women?
आई थिंक बहुत ज़्यादा इग्नोर करती है, स्पेशली इंडियन वुमेन. हम लोगों की लाइफ होती नहीं है. हमारी लाइफ हमारे फैमिली के अराउंड ही सर्कल होता है, और अच्छी बात है वो. आई थिंक हम लोगों को इस तरीके से कंडीशन किया जाता है बचपन से ही कि हम लोगों को अपनी फैमिली का ख्याल रखना चाहिए, उनके लिए ही सोचना चाहिए, तो हम अपने लिए नहीं सोचते. एक तरह से देखा जाए तो अच्छी बात है, लेकिन अपने आप को इग्नोर करना अच्छी बात नहीं है. So you have to give yourself a bit of importance, your health, a lot of importance. If you are not healthy, then how will your family be happy? तो अगर आप फैमिली को ओवरऑल हेल्थी देखना चाहते हैं, अपने आप को हेल्थी देखना चाहते हैं, you have to inculcate the right habits. And 30 minutes of walking is the best habit to inculcate.
राज, जैसे आप पर जिम्मेदारी दी गई है actually protect her heart.
Absolutely.
Definitely you will lend your support to her particular candidate.
जी.
Besides this, like how do you protect her impact? Maybe all the.
I think the initiative is fantastic. See, लोग अक्सर बोलते हैं टाइम नहीं है, बिजी हूँ, काम से आया हूँ, थक गया हूँ. But that's the man's side of the thing. The ladies at home, looking after your child, working, doing her own thing. तो अगर आप 30 मिनट नहीं निकाल सकते उनके लिए, तो ना तो वो शादी लास्ट होने वाली है, ना उनका दिल. So I think it's important to take that 30-minute pledge of Protect Her Heart. And I think what Sephora Life has done is fantastic. So the cause was good, and that's why both of us are a part of it.
You took the initiative शिल्पा के लिए.
हाँ जी.
Any message to the husbands out there कि आप भी अपनी wife के लिए कुछ कर सकते हैं?
I've said it to everyone. I've said, boss, there should be no male ego in this country. आदमी हमेशा हम देखते हैं आगे चलता है और औरत पीछे. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए भैया, साथ साथ चलो. जी.
Oh my God!
सिर्फ 7 जन. मुझे लग रहा है 7 जन कम है.
Oh.
Shilpa, you are one of the fittest person in Bollywood today.
I agree.
So besides eating habits, oh, that's it.
I don't think so. I have a long way to go.
So besides like your eating habits, what are the other regimes you follow? And I think yoga also. Like, are you planning to come up with some kind of recipe also?
I see today is not the platform. I think it would be very unfair to be talking about what I am doing. You will get to know of those things. Yes, I agree that I'm very synonymous with health. I try to make myself of some use. हमने बहुत नाम कमाया है लोगों की वजह से. अगर कहीं ना कहीं मैं एक कैटलिस्ट प्ले कर सकती हूँ उनके हेल्थ के लिए, उनके हेल्थ के बेटरमेंट के लिए, I feel more than happy to leverage my name. That's the reason I'm here to support the whole Sephora Life pledge, and I think it's a wonderful initiative. And yes, I think ये जो misconception है कि अगर आप ज़्यादा वर्कआउट करो और कुछ भी खाओ आप हेल्दी रहोगे. It's actually 70-30. तो आप 30% अगर वर्कआउट करेंगे और 70% अगर अपना डाइट का ध्यान रखेंगे, योर लाइफ विल बी सॉर्टेड. सो 30 minutes ऑफ वॉकिंग, दैट्स व्हाई वी सजेस्ट 30 minutes ऑफ वॉकिंग. और अपने खाने का ध्यान भी रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप डाइट करो, ईट राइट, ईट हेल्दी. और ये जो डाइट फैड्स है, मैं उसके बिल्कुल अगेंस्ट हूँ. आई थिंक एक अपने हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल के लिए एक डाइट को बरकरार रखना, एक हेल्दी ईटिंग पैटर्न को बरकरार रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. सो एनीबडी हु सेज, oh, you can eat whatever you want and you just go to the gym and work out and you stay healthy, I'm totally against that, and that's not the right way to be healthy.
You're missing you on the screen. You're missing you on the screen. क्या कहना चाहोगी कि वोटर?
मैं रोज किसी ना किसी वजह से स्क्रीन पे आ ही जाती हूँ, छोटे स्क्रीन पे सही. I've actually अभी तक मैं सोच भी नहीं रही थी. अब वियान 3.5 years का हो रहा है, तो ही इज स्पेंडिंग मोर टाइम एट स्कूल. तो अब मैंने स्क्रिप्टें पढ़नी शुरू की है, और 2-3 जो मैंने पढ़ी थी इतनी अच्छी नहीं थी. सो आई एम रियली, इट रियली हैज़ टू बी अ रिविटिंग फिल्म फॉर मी टू डू. कुछ ऐसा जो मैंने पहले किया नहीं हो. तो और मैं कोई कमबैक वमबैक नहीं करने वाली जैसे लोग कहते हैं. आई जस्ट वांट टू डू समथिंग दैट वुड इंटरेस्ट मी एज एन एक्टर. अरे अभी तक स्क्रिप्ट नहीं आई तो मैं कैसे